How's it going, everyone? In today's video, we'll do a quick comparison between three tools, which is going to be Onshape versus Fusion 3D versus Solidworks. The first thing that I want to talk about is their ease of use. Now, if you're a beginner friendly, I suggest using the Fusion 360 because it has the easiest to start with and it has modern interfaces and tons of tutorial. Now, Onshape is also beginner friendly, especially since it runs in your browser, meaning no installation needed. But for SolidWorks, it's more complex and better suited for experienced users. Now, for the features and power. SolidWorks is the most powerful here, used by professionals for advanced engineering and large assemblies. Fusion 360 is a strong all-rounder, combining CAD, CAM, and simulation in one platform. And lastly, Onshape focuses on collaboration, letting team work on the same design in real time. And lastly, we have the performance and accessibility. Onshape runs fully in the cloud. You can use it almost in any device. For Fusion 360 and the SolidWorks, they require installation, but SolidWorks needs a more powerful computer to run smoothly. And lastly, we have the pricing. For Fusion 360, it offers a free version for student and hobbyist. For Onshape, it also has a free plan, but your projects are public. And lastly, for SolidWorks, it is the most expensive and mainly used by companies. And so, which one should you choose? To briefly explain, you want to go for Fusion 360 for versatility, you want to choose Onshape for collaboration and accessibility, and you want to pick SolidWorks for professional grade engineering. And so if this comparison has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.